Hi everyone! I was really craving for some authentic Filipino food today. Someone recommended this place, Kamalig Grill in Jersey City. Let's go check it out. Wow! I ordered so much food. We got Chicharon Bulaklak, Ginataang Laing, Ginataang Langka, Batchoy, Piniritong Daing na Bangus, garlic rice, and two balut. Now I'm just waiting for everything to come out. This is gonna be a huge feast. The food is taking a while to come out, but the smell in here is making me so hungry. I hope it's worth the wait. Finally, the food is here. We got fried calamari, batchoy, chicharon bulaklak, piniritong daing na bangus with tomatoes and onions on top, ginataang laing, garlic rice, and ginataang langka. Everything was so good, especially the chicharon bulaklak and daing na bangus. Kamalig Grill did not disappoint. See you in the next video. But we're not done yet. We still went to Max's restaurant after this and ordered their giant family size halo halo. Let's go see it.